Hello viewers, today I will show you how to get TikVPN 4 months premium license using a gift code. So I will give all essential link in video description. Just follow my step and get your license. So at first open this link, sign up link from video description, and create an account. Enter your email address and password and click get started for free. Now here you see a message, please check your email and follow the confirmation link. So check email address or your email inbox to verify your VPN account. So here our verification email. So click the email and click active your trial option. So here is our account is verified. So now here now scroll and here you see a gift code option. If you purchase or where given gift code, add it here. So click redeem option and enter gift code on gift code box and click apply option. Redeemed successfully. Now click OK and reload your account. Now log in your account. And click sign in. Now after login, you now click billing option. Here you see your gift code successfully redeemed and the VPN plan for 120 days, that's mean 4 months. Now click download option and select your platform and click for start download. I want to install this VPN on my Windows PC, that's why I click Windows option. You can select iOS, Android, Mac, anything you want. So click download. Start download. So after finish download, open software installer, click yes and click install. Software install complete. Now click get started. Now click sign in option and enter your TikVPN account email and password. Click sign in. So after signing, here you see your account expired date and time. So now you can choose your country location from here and connect your VPN. So after I change my location, my Google language also changed. So that's mean our VPN working properly. Here are some settings you can check. So this is the way to get TikVPN 4 months premium license free in a legal way. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share our video, and must subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos and hit the bell icon for our latest update. Thank you.